Support, offering support for items. Okay, so here's my second video. You can choose to offer support for items in addition to support issues. This can help you filter out caseload even more accurately. You can assign cases dealing with a specific item to a support rep who specializes in that item. Okay, so let's just quickly look at the suite answer. You can choose to offer support in addition, right? I've already said that. For example, Wolf Electronics decides to offer support for Creativo 2400. Tom, a support rep, is an expert on the Creativo 2400. When cases come in on the Creativo 2400, they are quickly assigned to Tom. You can choose to offer support for the following types of items: inventory, assembly bill of materials, kit package, non-inventory items for sale or resale, other charge items for sale or resale, service items for sale or resale. Now you'll notice that none of them have for purchase, right? So it's really only customer support that's dealt with here, not vendor support. You choose to offer support for an item on the item record. Go to list, accounting items, click edit, look at the preferences tab, offer support. So let's quickly go to NetSuite, and no items there, so let's go items. I'll close some of those. Right, so there is one of my items, and it's going to take a second, my internet's quite slow. Right, and then if you go to the preferences tab, you will see here there is a box for offer support. So I'm gonna tick that box so that I can use this in my demo here. Save, and that is as easy as that. Right, so you've just got to click that box on this item. You can of course import that. If you've got a large number of items, you don't want to go and do it manually, you can go and import here via import CSV records.